Hello friends, this is the US Guy and you are watching US Guy TV. Today I'm gonna tell you why Apple disabled FM radio on upcoming iPhones and also tell you the FCC chairman Ajit Pai's statement in this step of Apple. So let's start. So the new update says that finally Apple has responded FCC chairman's call for the company to enable FM radio on upcoming iPhones. In an email statement, the company downplayed the need for FM radio broadcast in time of emergency and said that its iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 devices have neither the chips nor the antennas necessary to allow FM radio reception to first place. Here's the full statement. Apple says we care deeply about the safety of our users, especially during times of crisis, and that's why we have engineered the modern safety solutions in our upcoming products. User can dial emergency services and access medical ID card information directly from the lock screen. And we also enable government emergency notifications ranging from weather advisors and Amber alerts. iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 models have do not FM radio chips in them, nor do they antennas designed to support FM signals. So it's not possible to enable FM reception in these products. And also Apple declined to comment on why newer iPhones are unable to pick up radio broadcast or if it could ever enable the FM tuner in pre-iPhone 7 devices in the future. Various smartphones with an active FM chips use the cord from a pair of wired headphones as an antenna. However, so the omission of the headphone jack on the iPhone 7 and 8 may contribute to those devices' lack of FM tuner support. Friends, this is the original story why Apple disabled FM radio on their upcoming iPhones. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to all of your social media. Friends, for now bye bye and see you on my next video.